is the train station right here in Guangzhou.
East train station.
How many train stations are there in Guangzhou?
Oh, in Guangzhou, 1, 2, 3, 3 train stations.
3 train stations. This is the East train station, a newer area of Guangzhou. They call it the International Station also because you could take the train all the way to Hong Kong. When we get to Shenzhen, Shenzhen is just right across the bay from Kowloon. Pretty much they built up a new financial district around the east section of Guangzhou.
Okay, here we are.
Their train stations are unbelievable here. Mr. Tan already made our train reservations and we just need our passports to go get them. All your baggage goes through X-ray. Then you take your ticket, put it down on the top, and come on through. Our train is 70:95 and it leaves at 10:51. In all train stations, you wait until they announce the train when they put up your train number. And then everybody grabs their bags and hauls butt to their train car. If you show your ticket, they stamp your ticket and give you a bottle of water for free. You can see they posted the 10:31 train. This is what a train ticket looks like. The important part is your train number, 7095. It leaves at 10:51. And we are in car 1, seat 6A. And this is the magnetic imprint that led us into the area, the waiting area. Once again, remember the car number. That is the important part because your signs are not in English. But you can read D7095. They just posted our train and we're off and running. Fortunately, we were able to slide our bags behind there instead of schlepping them up on top. And this is our car, seat 6A and 6C. China just keeps on building and building and building. Train makes 4 stops, and we're at the first one wherever it is. We're in Shenzhen. Shenzhen station is gorgeous. That way to Hong Kong, it's only an hour away. So we need a taxi. That's the way to Hong Kong. All these people are heading for Hong Kong. They come over for the day to shop and head right back.